Hello, welcome to the lesson intro video for Unit 8, Lesson 3, Trading States of East Africa. Here are objectives, standards, and focus question for the lesson. Kush and Axum. Kush, also known as Nubia, developed along the Nile south of the Egyptians. You can see it there in green on our map. Formed around 2000 BCE, it was taken by Egypt in 1400 BCE. Around 400 years later, Kush became independent and remained so for 1,000 years until it finally fell in 150 CE. In 1325, by King Anzana of Axum, took control of Kush. Axum, in purple on the map, became the major commercial center for the region. It had trade routes to Rome, Egypt, and India. Axum's wealth and power can be seen in its huge monuments. Great stairways led to altars honoring Axum's gods. A kind of grand stone pillar called a stele marked each grave of Axum's rulers. Each stele looked like a skyscraper. It had false doors and windows carved into the stone. Beneath the stele lay a royal burial tomb and chambers. Christianity in Africa. In the 300s, Greek and Roman traders brought Christianity to the region. The Church of St. Mary was founded in Axum in the 300s. By 340, the influence of the church had grown so large that King Enza converted the region. Trade. Trade connected cultures of Europe, Africa, and Asia. Many city-states formed along the coasts of East African present-day countries, like Somalia, Kenya, and Tanzania. For the trade, India sold cotton, cloth, grain, sugar, oil, copper, and tin. East African nations sold gold, tortoiseshell, which you can see on the necklace here in the picture, ivory, which is made out of elephant tusks, timber, and enslaved people. Ethiopia. Axum declined in the 600s and was replaced by Ethiopia. The Zagwe dynasty emerged in the mid-1000s and continued to spread Christianity in the region. They carved huge churches out of stone, which you can see in the picture here. They also continued trade with the Muslim world. And on the map, you can see where present-day Ethiopia is. Swahili culture. Swahili developed as a new culture along the coast of East Africa and was predominantly Muslim. They imported silk, ceramics, glass, silver, and copper. By the 1000s, Swahili settlements had grown into city-states called stone towns. Stone Town received its name for the multi-storied stone houses built there. Through trade, cultural contact spread among the East Indies, China, India, Arab lands, Persia, and East Africa. Contact through trade brought a multicultural mix to the East African coast. Swahili, for example, became a language that includes words from the trade languages spoken on the coast of the Indian Ocean. Islam was the shared religion, but the East African version of Islam included parts of folk religion from the region.